Meantime, there's more encouraging news this afternoon during a bankruptcy hearing for Prospect Medical Holdings. That's the company that owns Crozer Health System. It's coming just a week after a deal to keep 2 Delaware County hospitals open appeared to fall apart. Chief investigative reporter Joe Holden has been following the late afternoon hearing. Joe, good evening.
Natasha, good evening to you. The bankruptcy judge told the court full of lawyers she is aware that work is happening around the clock. Now, we learned there are a number of participants now coming together to form the consortium that would come in and rescue Crozer-Chester Medical Center as well as Taylor Hospital. An attorney for Crozer's parent company, Prospect Medical, said during a hearing in bankruptcy court a short time ago, there's ample attention on this and things are progressing in the right direction, and we are light years away from where we were a week ago when it seemed the whole thing had fallen apart. He's referring to the mess after a board member with the Foundation for Delaware County sued to halt foundation funds from being used in the process to keep the hospitals open, fearing the money would end up in Prospect Medical's pockets. After an emergency hearing, an agreement was reached, and the Foundation for Delaware County is now providing stopgap funding of $13 million to keep the health system running. Attorneys have said it's hope that buys them time to reach an asset purchase agreement, what is essentially a sale of the system to a new operator. An attorney for Delaware County did tell the judge there have been a number of challenges as it navigates getting to that sale. I spoke with Chair of Delaware County Council, Dr. Monica Taylor, a short time ago.
The county has to work in two different ways, right? We're trying to help be a facilitator here, but we're also, help trying to do contingency planning in case we aren't able to save the hospital system. And how do we then also keep services in the areas that are then going to no longer have these resources and healthcare systems?
Doctor, we heard earlier in the process the words cautious optimism. Is that still accurate?
Yes. I'm going to remain cautiously optimistic until the doors close, because we're trying to make sure we keep access for our community in Delaware County.
Well, an attorney for Prospect Medical Holdings told the court that every step has been an incredible challenge, and I quote here, "We will overcome these obstacles if overcoming them is at all possible." We also have a statement late this afternoon from the Pennsylvania Attorney General. They say the next few days will be crucial to finalizing a purchase agreement that sustains Crozer Health. Of course, we have our eyes continuing to follow this one. We'll keep you posted throughout the process. We're live. This is Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.
And Joe, as you mentioned, we will continue to follow what comes out of these hearings and its impact on Delco. As soon as more decisions are made, we will share them on air and online at cbsphiladelphia.com.